Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of uninstalling Reshade from your PC. So let's dive in. The first step is to open your web browser. Once you've opened it, type Reshade into the search box and press enter. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you to the official Reshade website. Now here's where it might feel a bit counterintuitive. To uninstall Reshade, we actually need to download the installer again. Click on the Download Reshade button. In this example, we're downloading version 6.3. Once the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the setup file to run it. After the setup launches, you'll need to select the game where Reshade is installed. If you've used Reshade with multiple games, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. If the game doesn't appear in the list, click the Browse button and navigate to the folder where the game is installed. Once the game is selected, click Next and choose Microsoft DirectX 10, 11, 12 if prompted. Then click Next again. You'll now see the option to modify, update, or uninstall Reshade. After the uninstallation is complete, click the Finish button, and that's it. Reshade has been successfully removed from your game.